Divine Souls, Namaste. Please welcome to Spiritual Health and Meditations. Today we shall perform some exercises for tummy trimming, for strengthening the abdominal muscles, for reducing the extra fat in the abdomen, in the belly, and for core strengthening. So I will be doing only the entire exercise regime of only one set. You can increase the number of sets depending on your. We'll start the exercise regime. The first set. So relax on the elbows and body should be as straight as possible. Now single leg lifts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Right up, right down. Right leg up, right leg down. Right leg up, leg down. Now the left leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Left up, left down. Left up, left down. Left up, left down. Now both the legs alternate. Okay, alternate lifts. Okay, right up, left up. Here you cannot focus on the breathing, you only lift the legs. So I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, now both the legs up. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 and 0. 90 and 0. Okay, this finishes one set. These are the leg lifts. Now you can relax the abdominal muscles, the thighs and the calf muscles. So this is one set of exercise. So we'll be doing different variations in this to reduce the belly fat. So you can take a rest, relax for some time, or you can do it continuously. You can increase the number of counts also based on your capacity and capability. Now, but here I am showing you only 5 lifts or 5 times. I perform only 5 times. You can perform any number of times and you can also increase the sets. Now the next one. Again relax. Now this time we'll do pistons. Okay, now right, only the right leg. Piston, forward and back, forward and back. Forward and back. Okay, here also you can focus on the breathing if you want, or otherwise you can just do exercise. So same thing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, or this is the left leg lifts. So I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, now we'll do the alternate leg lifts. Alternate piston. This is piston. Alternate piston. Okay, then bring down the leg. Now together piston. Together both the legs piston. Try to keep the knees as close as possible. I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, you can increase the number of counts as well as the number of sets. Now again you can relax by relaxing the thighs, the calf muscles and the abdominal muscles. So this is the piston movement. Now we will go in for the third set. The next set. Okay, again relax. Now we will go in for cycling. Only the right leg, cycling in the clockwise direction. Again, as I told you, I am going to do only for 5 repetitions. So you can do it more also. Okay, now the left leg clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Now both the legs alternate. Anti-clockwise. cycling. Anti-clockwise. So, okay. Again, relax your abdomen, relax your calf muscles and your thighs. So this finishes another set. Okay. Next we will do another type of leg lifts. For this, what we have to do is relax and raise both the things 15 degrees up 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, and relax. The same thing in alternate. You can do it. Alternate. And relax. And here is another set of exercises for strengthening the core, for strengthening your abdominal muscles, for reducing the belly fat. Now we'll do the leg circles, single leg and then double leg. So again relax. So single leg in, same leg in the opposite direction. On the left leg. Opposite direction. Now both the legs we have performed. Both the legs together clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Okay, relax. You can feel the exercises are really working on your belly, the core, and the thighs. Relax for some time. Now again, rest on your elbows. Now single leg lifts with a difference, with a variation. Now lift your right leg up 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 degrees. Now same thing with the left leg. Up 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. Now both the legs together. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. So this is one set. So this entire thing you can again repeat it if you want 3 times to 5 times. So how much ever you feel like. So this is the exercise, or rather these are the exercises which you all can perform to reduce the belly fat, to enhance the muscles to strengthen the muscles of the core. This finishes one set of the entire thing. So similarly you can do 2 sets or 3 sets. So thank you for performing this exercise along with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.